Good morning, everyone. Today is travel day. We are leaving Merida, Mexico, and we're headed to Playa del Carmen. We are going to be taking the audio bus from here over to Playa. So come along with us, and I will show you what the buses are like here in Mexico. They're fantastic. So looking forward to this ride. It's a couple hours, but it should be relaxing. We just took our Uber ride from the Holiday Inn on Calle 60, Holiday Inn Express on Calle 60, and it was about a 5 minute ride. And here, now we're here at the audio bus station, and it leaves at 9 a.m. So it's about 8:30 right now. So see what happens here today. So I think this is our bus, Audio Platino. This is a little higher grade. I won't tell you guys the price, but I think this is our bus. So it's about a quarter till 9. So we'll see if this is it or if another one pulls up. Usually they don't let you board till like right at the time. So let's see what this says on the front. It just says Merida Altabrisa, so they haven't changed it out yet. But it looks really nice. So you come up here, he gets a little ticket and load your luggage there. And we're getting ready to get on the bus. Do we have assigned seats?
Yes. 14 and 15.
So here's the front. As you can see, lots of room. It's very spacious. Lots of floor space. And it looks like you can put stuff here on top. Yes. Yep. So there's room on top. We can put stuff up there. And we're gonna sit down. Ooh. Stuff up in here. There's also a screen here. They said Wi-Fi is included. My experience was kind of wonky, but we'll see because it's the Platino one. It might be a little bit better. So you see they have a screen here, and there's lots of space here. Me sitting down, lots of leg room. So very nice little seat pocket here. Little things here to keep you in. The air feels wonderful. So it should be a comfortable ride. There is a bathroom in the back. I'm not sure how clean it is, but I'll check that out later.
Check it out now.
Oh, okay. Give us that, so check it out now since no one's here. So check out the bathroom, see what it looks like. Okay. And yeah, it looks good, just like an airport bathroom. You got that, a toilet, and it's clean. So, do you have tissue? I don't see tissue. So, yeah, I'm not sure about the tissue. I'm have to bring your own. So they are running a few minutes late. So we're on Mexican time, I guess. Okay, so since no one's here in the seat, it's pretty much an empty bus. I'll show you some of the features they have. So here you see where you can put your feet out. You also have this little rest thing here. Okay, so there's plenty of room. You can push this button on the side and you can elevate your feet. There's also a cup holder down here. Maybe you can see it, this is really dark. You can also recline your seat all the way back too. So, very spacious. off the bus and we're going this way. And we are in Playa del Carmen. So how do you purchase a ticket with the audio bus? You can simply type in ado.com.mx or just put in the search engine. And then you're going to select the city that we're leaving from, Merida, Mexico. And then you're going to go down to Quintana Roo, which is where Playa del Carmen is at. And from there, there's a drop down button under Quintana Roo that shows you the different cities there. And so we're going to go down. You could also go to Cancun this way too, but we're going to go to Playa del Carmen. And we're just going to look for something a couple weeks out. Let's see, we'll do Tuesday, the 9th, and search for trip. Now, once that loads, you have a couple different options. You can do Merida from the Historic Center. You can also do Merida, like we did, from Paseo 60, from that terminal, and that's where you get the Platino bus. So you have options. If you go to Historic Center, it is a little less expensive, and the Platino is just a little bit more pesos or dollars, whatever currency that you're using. So we're going to click on there, and we are ordering this ahead of time. And so you understand that it's non-refundable. And you can select your seats wherever you want to sit. You can see the price per person, and the VAT is already there. How much did we spend? We spent $74 for 2 people and reserved our seats 2 weeks out. So that was our experience on the ADO bus from Merida to Playa del Carmen. It was a great ride. If you have taken a bus in Mexico, please share your experience. We would love to hear from you. Also, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, take care, everyone, and safe travels.